Looking for the perfect range hood for your kitchen? We've tested and ranked 5 top models, and you'll want to see which one comes out on top. Let's kick things off with the most compact and budget-friendly option on our list, the under-cabinet range hood from Broan-NuTone. Sitting in 5th place, it's a solid entry-level choice for those who want something basic, quiet, and easy to install without sacrificing essential features. What it lacks in power, it makes up for in simplicity. This hood offers 375 CFM of airflow and whisper-quiet operation at lower speeds. Only 1.5 suns, which is pretty impressive. It's built to sit neatly under a cabinet, and the push-button controls are straightforward to use. The dual aluminum mesh filters are dishwasher safe, and the built-in LED lighting adds just the right touch for everyday cooking. But don't expect miracles here. If you've got a high output gas range or do a lot of frying or grilling, the airflow just isn't strong enough to keep up. Plus, the lighting is not dimmable, and you'll need to purchase extra filters if you plan to use it in recirculation mode. If you're working with limited space or just need something dependable for light to moderate cooking, this could be the one for you. It's not flashy, but it gets the job done. And if you're interested in checking out any of the products we mentioned today at the best price, all the links are down in the description. Next up, in 4th place, we have the COSMO Chimney Style Range Hood. It offers a bump in design and features compared to the previous model, while still keeping things simple and user-friendly. With 380 CFM, it performs slightly better than the Broan, and its sleek chimney design is perfect for modern kitchens. The stainless filters are permanent and dishwasher safe, which means easier maintenance over time. Plus, the soft touch controls and LED display make it feel a little more premium. However, at full speed, the noise level climbs noticeably, and it's not quite enough airflow if you're cooking greasy meals on the regular. Also, if your kitchen has high ceilings, you might need to buy extra chimney extensions. For those who want a stylish upgrade without going full-on professional, this one strikes a nice balance between form and function. By the way, if you're finding this video helpful so far, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more no-fluff, honest reviews. In 3rd place, the COMFEE Range Hood steps things up with stronger airflow and gesture controls that feel a bit futuristic and surprisingly responsive. At 450 CFM, it's a noticeable jump from the previous two, and the stainless steel baffle filters are solid performers that you can toss in the dishwasher. Plus, the gesture control feature actually works well, letting you turn it on or off without even touching the unit. The catch? It's pretty loud, about 71 decibels at its highest setting. Also, it only offers 3 fan speeds, so there's not much fine-tuning in terms of ventilation strength. If you're a fan of cool tech and don't mind a bit of noise in exchange for stronger suction, the COMFEE model is a great middle ground option. Coming in 2nd place is the Range Hood from CIARRA, which delivers style, suction, and solid features at a price that's hard to beat. This one shares the same airflow rating as the COMFEE, but it does a better job balancing noise and efficiency. The curved glass design looks fantastic, and it's equipped with 5-layer aluminum mesh filters that trap grease effectively. It's also flexible enough to be installed ducted or ductless with an optional filter kit. Now, it's not whisper quiet. 8.5 zones means you'll hear it working at full speed, and like others in its class, it requires a separate charcoal filter kit if you plan to go ductless, which adds to the cost. If aesthetics matter as much as performance, and you want a hood that doesn't look like it belongs in a commercial kitchen, this one's for you. At number 1, we've got a powerhouse, the IKTCH 36-inch insert range hood. If you're after serious performance and modern functionality, this is the one to beat. This model delivers a massive 900 CFM of airflow, easily the strongest in our lineup. It's equipped with touch controls, gesture sensors, and even a remote control. Despite all that power, it manages to stay relatively quiet on low settings. The stainless steel baffle filters are top tier and super easy to clean. Drawbacks? A few. Some users mention the lights aren't super bright and installation can be a bit tricky, especially if it's your first time working with a built-in hood. But if you've got a high BTU stove or you cook heavy meals frequently, that airflow is going to be your best friend. This model is ideal for passionate home chefs who care about power, control, and a sleek integrated look. If you want the best, this is it. Ready to upgrade your kitchen? Check out the links in the description below to get the best deals on all the top products from today's review. And hey, if this video helped you out, go ahead and hit that like button and make sure to subscribe for more reviews just like this one.